Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in the previous video we have learned the second rule of changing direct to indirect speech, that was the change of place and time. So in this video we are going to learn the third rule of changing direct to indirect speech, which is the change of place and time. So if you are new in this channel, press the subscribe button to never miss an update. So let's begin. First of all, starting with the compassionate name of Allah, who is the most gracious and sublime. Now we will learn how to change direct to indirect speech. And today we are going to learn the third rule of changing direct to indirect speech, which is the change of tense. So all of you know what is meant by tense and how many tenses are there. If you want to learn more, then tell me in the comment box. I will make a separate video for tenses. So the third rule of changing direct to indirect speech is the change of tense. If present indefinite tense is used in direct speech, then in reported speech it would become past indefinite. Present continuous will become past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. Present perfect continuous will become past perfect continuous. Past indefinite will become past perfect. Past continuous will become past perfect continuous. Past perfect will become past perfect, and past perfect continuous will also remain same. And in all future tenses, the helping verb will be changed into would. So now we will see these with some examples. In the first example, you can see that a simple present tense is used in direct speech. She always wears a coat. Now this sentence is in direct speech. When it will be converted into indirect speech, so we learned in previous slide that present simple will be changed into past simple. So it would become, he said that she always wore a coat. Now you can see how the simple present tense is changed into past simple tense. Similarly, present continuous will become past continuous. Present perfect will become past perfect. Past simple will become past perfect. For example, my friend gave me a bar of chocolate. Now this is in past simple. When it would be converted into past perfect, it would become, he said that his friend had given him a bar of chocolate. Now you can see, observe the changes, that how simple past tense is changed into past perfect tense. So when we talk about helping verbs, so will be changed into would, can will become could, may will become might, must will become had to. For example, I must go to the bank and get some money. Now here must is used. So in indirect speech it would become, she said that she had to go to the bank and get some money. Now must is changed into had to. Now very important thing to remember in changing direct to indirect speech is that when a sentence is changed into reported speech, the inverted commas or quotation marks are omitted and replaced with the word that. For example, you can see the first example that and this sentence is in direct speech. The teacher asked, is there any chapter remaining? Now this is in direct speech, and quotation marks are also used. When it will be converted into indirect speech, it would become, the teacher asked that, was there any chapter remaining? Now here quotation marks or inverted commas are omitted and replaced with the word that. So this is the very important thing in changing direct to indirect speech. So that's all for today. Tomorrow we will learn some types of sentences for changing direct to indirect speech. So if you're new in this channel, please click on the subscribe button to never miss an update. So take care everyone, and bye bye.